Hello everyone, and welcome to this session on TCS interview preparation. Whether you're a fresher or someone switching domains, this guide will help you understand the structure of the TCS interview process, important technical, L and HR questions, and how to prepare effectively. Here's what we'll cover in this guide. Technical questions, HR interview questions, behavioral managerial questions, preparation tips. Let's start with the technical section. This section is crucial for those applying for IT roles. These are the most commonly asked technical topics and coding problems. Let's break them down by type. Programming questions and the OP's concept is super important for TCS interviews. They love questions on this because it shows your understanding of how real-world problems are solved in programming. You should know the four main pillars: encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. These help organize code better, make it reusable, and easier to maintain. Make sure you can explain each with simple examples and write basic programs using classes and objects. Normalization in databases is a must-know topic. It's all about organizing data to reduce redundancy and improve data integrity. Hey, let me tell you about some key software development concepts you should know for TCS interviews. First, SDLC, Software Development Lifecycle. It's the step-by-step process to build software, starting from requirement gathering, design, coding, testing, deployment, and maintenance. Then there's Agile and Waterfall, two popular development models. Waterfall is linear and sequential, while Agile is flexible and iterative, allowing constant feedback. Also, know about version control systems, like Git, which help teams collaborate by tracking changes in code. Finally, understand basics of testing, unit testing, integration testing, and why bugs must be caught early. Master these concepts and you'll sound confident and prepared in your TCS interview. As a non-CS background candidate, you can expect basic programming questions in the TCS interview, such as writing loops, using conditions, if-else, or creating simple functions in C, Python, or Java. These questions assess your logical thinking rather than deep technical knowledge. A common HR question you might face is, why do you want to join IT if you're from a non-IT background? A strong response would be, although my academic background is not in IT, I've developed a strong interest in software development through self-learning and online courses. I enjoy solving problems and building logical solutions, and I see IT as a field full of opportunities to grow and innovate. TCS's inclusive approach and structured training make it an ideal place for me to begin my tech career. Focus on showing your enthusiasm for learning, adaptability, and logical reasoning. TCS HR interview questions with tips. Tell me about yourself. Keep it structured: education, background, interests, and why you're here. Why do you want to join TCS? Mention TCS's global presence, learning opportunities, work culture, and your long-term career goals. What are your strengths and weaknesses? Strength: something relevant like adaptability or problem solving. Weakness: mention one and how you're working to improve it. Are you willing to relocate? TCS expects flexibility. A positive yes shows readiness. Are you comfortable with night shifts? If applying for a support or client-facing role, answer honestly, but openness helps. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Show career growth within TCS, learning, leadership, or specialized roles. Why should we hire you? Align your answer with TCS values: curiosity, learning, teamwork, and responsibility. Do you prefer working alone or in a team? Best answer: comfortable with both, but enjoy collaborative work. 1. Are you willing to relocate? Sample answer: yes, I'm completely open to relocation. I understand that TCS operates across various locations, and I see it as an opportunity to learn, grow professionally, and adapt to different work environments. 2. Are you comfortable with night shifts? Sample answer: yes, I'm comfortable with night shifts if the project requires it. I understand that some global clients may need support across different time zones, and I'm flexible and ready to contribute wherever needed. In the HR round, you may be asked to share your experience and knowledge, such as a challenge you faced and how you handled it. Use the STAR method: situation, task, action, result, To structure your answer effectively. For work preference, they might ask whether you prefer working in a team or alone. The ideal response is that you're comfortable with both but enjoy collaborating in a team to share ideas and solve problems efficiently. You could also be asked about your knowledge of TCS. Make sure to mention their global reach, services, innovation focus, and work culture. Finally, when they ask, "Do you have any questions for us?" always ask something thoughtful, such as opportunities for growth, learning programs, or team culture, to show genuine interest. In the behavioral or managerial round, TCS may ask questions to assess how you handle real-world situations at work. Work scenarios, failure handling. Can you tell me about a time when you faced failure? How did you handle the situation, and what did you learn from it? Handling pressure. How do you manage pressure or tight deadlines at work? Can you give an example? Teamwork. Describe a situation where you collaborated effectively within a team. What was your role and contribution? Conflict resolution. Have you ever experienced a conflict with a teammate? How did you resolve it and what was the outcome? Preparation tips: how to prepare. Technical preparation. Practice basic coding problems from platforms like HackerRank, CodeChef, or LeetCode. Interview approach for TCS. HR round tips. Be honest and confident during the HR interview. Authenticity helps build trust and leaves a positive impression. Research TCS. Before your interview, read about TCS's recent developments and projects from their official website to show your genuine interest in the company. Prepare questions. Have a few thoughtful questions ready to ask the interviewer. This demonstrates your enthusiasm and curiosity about the role and the company. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more great content. Your support means a lot. See you in the next video.